Stop chasing money. Seriously, it's like trying to catch a butterfly in a hurricane. You'll just end up exhausted and empty-handed. But what if I told you there's a much smarter way to build real, lasting wealth? It's not about working harder. It's about thinking differently. In the next few minutes, I'm going to share the 3 fundamental shifts you need to make. This isn't some get-rich-quick scheme. This is the blueprint that wealthy people use to create fortunes that last for generations. Stick around, because the 3rd secret is the one that separates the dreamers from the doers. All right, let's dive in. The first major shift is to stop trading your time for money. Think about it. There are only 24 hours in a day. If your income is directly tied to the hours you work, you've put a hard ceiling on your earning potential. You can only work so much before you burn out. The wealthy understand this. Instead of working for money, they make money work for them. This means creating systems and acquiring assets that generate income even when you're not actively working. So how do you do that? You start by building or buying assets. An asset is anything that puts money in your pocket. This could be investing in stocks that pay dividends, buying a rental property that generates monthly cash flow, or even creating digital products like an online course or an e-book that sells while you sleep. The key is to shift your focus from earning a paycheck to acquiring income-producing assets. Your goal is to have your assets generate enough passive income to cover your living expenses. That's the point where you achieve true financial freedom. You're no longer a slave to your job because your assets are doing the heavy lifting for you. Now for the second and arguably most important shift. Solve problems instead of chasing paychecks. The amount of money you make is a direct reflection of the value you provide to the marketplace. Think about the most successful companies and individuals. What do they all have in common? They solve a significant problem for a large number of people. Uber solved the problem of inconvenient and unreliable transportation. Amazon solved the problem of slow and limited shopping options. Instead of asking, "How can I make more money?" start asking, "What problem can I solve?" This is where your unique skills, passions, and experiences come into play. What are you good at? What do people always ask you for help with? What frustrates you about a certain industry or product? Those frustrations are often clues to massive business opportunities. You don't need to invent the next iPhone. You can start small. Maybe you're great at organizing, so you start a professional organizing business. Maybe you're a fantastic writer, so you offer freelance content services to businesses struggling with their marketing. When you focus on solving problems and providing immense value, money becomes a natural byproduct. It will chase you, not the other way around. Finally, the 3rd secret. Focus on your net worth, not your income. Many people get fixated on their salary. They get a raise and immediately upgrade their lifestyle, bigger car, a fancier apartment. This is called lifestyle inflation, and it's a trap that keeps people poor, even high earners. Your income is what you earn, but your net worth is what you own. It's the true measure of your wealth. To calculate it, you simply subtract your liabilities, what you owe, like debts and loans, from your assets, what you own. The goal is to make that number go up consistently over time. This means you have to be intentional about where your money goes. Every dollar you earn should have a job. Some will go to your expenses, but a significant portion should go towards paying down debt and, most importantly, acquiring more assets. This requires discipline and a long-term perspective. It's not as exciting as buying a new gadget. But watching your net worth grow is a different, more profound kind of satisfaction. It's the feeling of building a secure financial future, brick by brick. Instead of living paycheck to paycheck, you're building a financial fortress. So let's recap the 3 shifts. First, stop trading time for money and start building systems that generate passive income. Second, stop chasing paychecks and start solving problems to provide massive value. And third, stop focusing on your income and start obsessing over growing your net worth. It's a simple framework, but it's incredibly powerful. This is how you stop running on the financial hamster wheel and start building a life of true freedom and abundance. Thanks so much for watching. If this video gave you a new perspective, hit that like button and subscribe for more content on building real wealth. Let me know in the comments which of these 3 shifts you are going to start working on first. See you in the next one.